What's up guys, it's Mitchell Reese, your Southern Utah Realtor, and in today's video we're going to be going through a Cole West model home. If you're new to my channel, I like to go through a lot of these model homes and new construction homes that I like, homes that are modern and beautiful, to show you the inventory that's available in Southern Utah. Perfect for buyers and relocators, because Southern Utah is a great place to live, and I want to show you why. So if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in Southern Utah, if you're liking what you see on this video, make sure to give me a call. I'll also put my number and email in the description. Guys, make sure to come back to my channel as well. We're putting out tons of consistent content on these tours. Come see what's available. Guys, this Cole West model home is definitely perfect for investing in Southern Utah area in the Desert Color community. It's worth a lot of money, but it's definitely set up for short-term rentals or just a vacation house for yourself. It's very beautiful, has a lot of bedrooms in it, and would be perfect for any of those situations. So without further ado, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into the tour. Okay guys, we have a Cole West home build, and it is going to be a model townhome tour. This is definitely in the luxury space, priced between $1 and $1.2 million. So there's a lot of features that can be added and upgraded to this build to make it your own. And it's gonna have 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 2,608 square feet. And some beyond features are definitely going to be the game room upstairs, as well as the deck that is upstairs right next to the game room, where you have room for a hot tub, some chairs, maybe a gas campfire, and it's gonna be really great for maybe a vacation house. But without further ado, let's get into the tour, guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour. That was a beautiful townhome. Guys, there's a lot of things going on with this shifting market, which may give you less power to buy or make it difficult to sell. But guys, it's actually always a great time for buyers. You never want to try and play the market. And another great reason buyers might want to buy right now are the great incentives that builders are going to give you. So when you get a brand new home, you're also going to get a bunch of help with the buyers, such as buying your rate down. They're going to get that interest rate down for it, or they'll help with the closing costs. They can completely cover that sometimes. So guys, give me a call if you're interested in buying, selling, investing, or relocating to Southern Utah, because I want to be your best representative to make sure you get those benefits, because we're going to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. You're not going empty-handed, and it's just a great smooth transition for you. So guys, make sure to come back to the channel as well. Take a look at the inventory that's in Southern Utah that makes it such a beautiful community. And thanks for coming to my channel. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.